And what are the dangers of not implementing and not making that smart transition to a smart factory? What problems can a factory expect to run into?
I think the biggest risk is that you're being overtaken by the competition and that you are not quick enough to react to changes in the market. The market is under pressure. I know we have a lot of capacity in the market. So you need to be creative with what products you sell. So it is quite important that you can come up with new product designs quickly, that you issue your quotes very quickly to your customers, that it doesn't take weeks until the customer has a proposal in his hands. And when you manufacture, I mean, you've got a lot of competition from all over the world. When you manufacture, you have to make sure it's competitive and that you understand how competitive you are in your manufacturing. Not everyone understands how profitable their cables are that they ship out of the door. Only after they've shipped it out of the door, they see, oh, maybe we shouldn't have done this deal, or we could have asked for more, or we could have gone lower and maybe won the deal that we didn't win. So these are like the typical scenarios where the money comes back to you.
That's really interesting.